Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Okay, students, today our topic is adverb. Adverb is also a part of speech. Adverb is also a part of speech. As we have learnt about noun, verb, adjective, pronoun, those were parts of speech. In the same way, adverb is also a part of speech. Okay, this part of speech, adverb, is on our worksheet number 3, and the pages numbers are 65, 66. Okay, students, first of all, I will explain the definition of adverb. What is the meaning of adverb? Okay. An adverb is a word which describes how an action is done. It is very simple definition of adverb. Okay, adverb. Okay, students, first look at the word adverb. A-D-V-E-R-B-S. Adverbs. Okay, adverb. In the word, the meaning, the definition is hidden in adverb. Ad and then verb. It means adverb tells us more about verb. Adverbs tells more about verb, how the action is done, where the action is done, when the action is done. Okay. The questions where, when, how, the words which give the answer to these questions, those words are called adverbs. Okay. Adverbs mean how the action is done. Adverb means how an action is done. It is very simple definition. Okay, if I ask you what is adverb, you should quickly answer me. Adverb means how the action is done. Adverb means the words which describes how an action is done. Okay, in other words, students, adverbs modify verb. Okay, in other words, adverbs modify verbs. They modify adjectives. Okay, and in our next lecture, I will tell you how many kinds an adverb has. Okay, we will learn in detail about adverbs. Okay, here is a simple example. Okay, the teacher spoke politely. The teacher spoke politely. The is, students, what is the here? Yes, the is article and teacher is noun here. And spoke, okay, it is an action. So what is this? Spoke is a verb. Okay, the teacher spoke. It is simple sentence, the teacher spoke. But how did the teacher speak? Politely is telling here, how did the teacher speak? Politely. The teacher spoke politely. Here the word politely is adverb. Okay? Here the word politely is adverb because this word politely is telling us that how did the teacher speak? The teacher spoke politely. Okay, politely is adverb here because it is telling us that how was the teacher's action. Okay, teacher's action was polite. Teacher was speaking politely. Okay, and if I say the teacher spoke loudly, okay, the teacher spoke loudly. Loudly is also adverb here because it tells how the verb is done, how the teacher spoke. The teacher spoke loudly. Loudly is also adverb. Okay, students, is that clear? The word which tells us how the action is done. Okay, that word which tells more about the verb, more about the action, that word is called adverb. It is very simple. Okay. Okay, students. Now we have a method how we can make adverbs. Okay, from the adjectives. Many adverbs end in ly as weak, weakly, smartly, smart, smartly. Okay, students, here is our question number 1. Select the right adverb from the word bank and fill in the blanks. In this page, the word bank is given to you and there are blanks on the next page and you have to fill the blanks with using these word bank. Okay. First is rudely. Rudely mean harshly. Rudely mean harshly, and this word is from rude. Next word is loudly. Loudly, you know that it's very simple. Okay, and it is from loud. Silently. Silently is from silent and it means quietly. Brightly, it is from bright. Slowly, it is from, yes, from slow. Happily, this word is from happy. Joy, gladly, bravely, this word is from brave. Sweetly, this word is from sweet. Rapidly, this word is from rapid, with speed. Rapid means with speed. And carelessly, this word is from careless and carelessly. Okay, students, have you noticed all these words have ly at the end? All these words have ly at the end. And whenever there is at the end there is ly, it shows that these words are adverbs. Ly shows that these words are adverbs. Ly. Okay. Now moving to next page. Here are your blanks. The old man walked. Okay, the old man walked. This is the walked is the action of the old man, and you know that children, the man is old. So how the man would walk, with speed or in slow speed? The old man walked slowly. Slowly is a word which shows that how the action is done. Walked is action of the old man, and how the old man walked. The old man walked slowly. So slowly is here adverb. Slowly is here adverb because it tells how did the old man walk. The old man walked slowly. Slowly is adverb here. Okay, next statement is the sun shone. The sun shone. The is article, sun is noun, and shone is the second form of shine. Shone. It is verb. The sun shone brightly. Okay, bright. The sun shone brightly. Brightly is adverb here because brightly is telling here how did the sun shine. The sun shone brightly. The sun shone brightly. Brightly is telling how did the sun shine. The sun shone brightly. So brightly is adverb here, and it is also ending at ly. Okay, the next one is the river flowed rapidly. The river flowed rapidly. The is article, river is noun, and flowed is verb. Okay, the river flowed. How did the river flow? The river flowed rapidly. Rapidly is telling how the action is done. Okay, so rapidly is adverb. It is telling how with speed the river flowed with speed rapidly. So rapidly is adverb here, and it is also ending at ly. So it is adverb. Next is the little bird sang sweetly. The little bird sang sweetly. Sang is verb and sweetly is adverb because sweetly is telling us how did the bird sing. How did the bird sing? The little bird sang sweetly. Here, sweetly is adverb and it is also ending at ly. Yes. Okay, moving to the next page. The next statement is the soldier fought bravely. The soldier fought. Okay. How did the soldier fight? This is the action. Fought is action. It is verb. And the word which will tell us how the action is done, that would be our adverb. The soldier fought bravely. Here, bravely is adverb. Bravely is adverb. Bravely means with courage. Bravely. Ly, it is ending on ly, so it is adverb. The next one is they lived happily. They lived. How did they live? They lived happily. The word happily is telling how they lived. They lived happily. Okay, students, look at the word happily. Spell happy first, Happy, happy. But whenever we add ly, before adding ly, we change y into I and then we will add ly. Happily, Happy, ly, happily, it is adverb. Gladly, happily mean gladly. The lion roared. How did the lion roar? The lion roared loudly. Look at the picture. Okay. The lion is roaring loudly with full voice, with loud. The lion roared loudly. Here, loudly is adverb. The next one is the man drove carelessly. The man drove carelessly. How did the man drive? Carelessly. Okay. The carelessly is the word which tells about the action, how the action is done. Okay. The man drove. Drove is a verb and carelessly is adverb. It tells how the verb is done. The man drove carelessly. Okay, next one is the children left the room silently. Look at the picture, students. All the students are lined up. They have made a queue. They are going out of the class. Okay. The statement is the children left the classroom silently. Okay, the children, how did the children leave the class? The children left the class silently. Silently means without making any noise. Okay, they are good students. Yes. The children left the classroom and silently is adverb here. It tells how the action was done. Okay. Silently, the children left the classroom. Left is verb. And how did the children leave the classroom? Silently. So silently is adverb and it is also ending at ly. Okay, students, the next one is well-mannered children do not speak rudely. Well-mannered. Here are two pictures of the children. In one picture, you can see there are well-mannered children, and on the other picture, they are ill-mannered children. And you can well imagine from the picture, okay, their action is telling who are well-mannered or who are ill-mannered. Okay, well-mannered children do not speak rudely. How do they speak? They speak politely. They speak nicely. Okay, well-mannered. Well-mannered means good, having good habits, having good manners. Children do not speak rudely. Okay, speak is verb here and rudely is adverb. Okay, rudely means harshly. Okay, and rudely is also ending at ly, so it is adverb here. Okay, students, moving to the next question. The question number 2, it is about Change the following adjectives into adverb. Example given, glad, gladly. Okay, student, here some adjectives are given to you. Okay, and you have to change these adjectives in adverb. And it is very simple. What is the rule? How you can change it into adverb? You simply have to add ly in the last of these words. You simply have to add ly, and then these words will become adverbs. Okay, examples. The example has given to you glad and then gladly. What you did, you add ly, glad, glad, and gladly, gladly. Okay, here is a chart. The words are given to you and two words have been done for you. First one is bad. Bad, badly. B-A-D, bad, B-A-D-L-Y, badly. Next one is strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. S-T-R-O-N-G-L-Y, strongly. Next one is neat. Neatly. Neat, neatly. Quick, quickly. Quick, quickly, mean with speed. Soft, softly. Soft, softly. What you have to do? You have to add only ly, ly. Swift, swift, swiftly. Swift, swiftly. Hard, hardly. Hard, hardly. Weak, weakly. Weak, weakly. Tight, tightly. Tight, tightly. Okay, students, that's all for today. Okay, first, please recall your memory. Okay, and what is, first tell me what is adverb. Okay, I'll tell you again what is adverb. Adverb are words which modify verb, which tells us more about verb. Okay, in simple words, adverbs tells us more about verb. What is adverb? Adverbs tells us more about verb. Adverbs describes how an action is done. What is adverb? Adverb describes how an action is done. Okay, it is very simple. The words which tells us how the verb is done, how the action is done, they are called adverbs. And ly, mostly they are ly. But in next lectures, we will study in details what are the other words, adverbs. Okay, okay, till now, Allah Hafiz.